See that, Daddy? Three peas and lots of rose. So now,
You're taking them away now?
new color.
Alright, what color do you want?
Smoothie. Gakey, Mikey, Busumi, Samastoma, School.
What color do you want?
Then remember when I used to grab the camera?
Yeah, you don't do that anymore, which is good. Why don't you show me how you type your name so I can show the camera?
Okay. What's the J? Then is K after J, Dad?
A is after J.
A. Now we need to put C. C?
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. Now K.
Yep. Good job. Can you tell me what this word is?
Mom.
And how about this one?
Dad.
And how about this one?
I don't know.
Spell it out.
8 O 8 6.
You know what, Jack? Sorry, let me type it again. Now, what do you think it is?
N O N N O N N A.
What's that spell?
I don't know.
Sound it out. What sound does an N make?
No.
Ah, there we go. Good job. Okay, what's this word?
Now make your name. Sophia.
That's Sophia?
Yeah.
Good job. And how about this name?
No.
Spell it out.
What's like P? What's this, Daddy?
E.
E T E R.
And what's that spell?
I don't know.
What sound does a P make?
No.